Found across North America and northeastern Siberia, the sandhill crane, Antigone canadensis, is a majestic bird that has graced our world unchanged for over 2.5 million years, boasting one of the longest fossil histories of any extant bird. Adults are predominantly grey, with males averaging around 4.57 kilograms, 10.1 pounds, and females around 4.02 kilograms, 8.9 pounds. They feature red foreheads, white cheeks, and long, dark, pointed bills. In flight, their long, dark legs trail behind them. Immature birds have reddish-brown upperparts and grey underparts. Every year, up to 450,000 of these ancient birds migrate through Nebraska's Platte River Valley, creating a breathtaking spectacle. These fairly social birds usually live in pairs or family groups throughout the year. Sandhill cranes are living fossils with a trumpeting call that echoes through the ages, reminding us of an untamable past.